had some technical difficulties earlier this morning. I thought I was recording the first 10 minutes or so, but apparently I wasn't. You didn't miss much, except I took a breakout when we broke below VWAP with a bunch of delta coming in. That was my first big trade. And also I'm using midnight blue for my chart background on the 1 minute chart. And then I've got my 60-minute chart on the left. And I've got a NINZA Renko 55/21 chart on the right that I've been using with the signal counter. It worked absolutely perfect all day. No issues, no lag, no long load times. It's working great. So here's the rest of the live recording that did work out. I've got the MMT Heikin-Ashi painting the candle color live in real time, so you can see when it goes into wickless mode. It's in wickless mode right now with the dark green. I've got the Ultimate Delta painting the single bar divergence just on the outlines. So black wicks are normal. And then when I get the gold wicks, that's a single bar divergent candle. I've got a new setting for the Ultimate Delta and the Delta diamond levels as well. Just cut everything in half. Got it at 50, 100, and 150. Just trying to catch the Delta momentum a little bit earlier. Just had a 50-point 1-minute candle right there. Getting rejected at the pivot point. Just got along with 2 micros. We had a bunch of delta coming in on this candle right here. Going into wickless mode. Breaking above these recent highs. I was looking to test the 15-minute high at least. We did. I got my 10 points filled pretty much instantaneously. Just got into a little short. We were coming up to yesterday's New York Open. And also this level that I drew, which is pretty much right at whole number on the 60-minute chart. Had a previous day point of control up at whole number. We just bounced down over 20 points. Had some triple signals building up too on the Renkos. I just got into another short up here. Been respecting this level for quite a few minutes there. Had the signals building up on the Renkos. Finally got this 8 signal. Took a little short. Got around 7 points. I wanted to hop out before this previous day point of control. Getting a little hold up there. Just got into another long. We've been getting some hold up at the 50 area. Delta's been rising. Had some bigger signal counter signals on the Renkos. And just because of the time of day, I was already looking for longs. We're above the 250 SMA at 10:30. Trading a little bit after hours. We had this delta building up on this Renko candle. It was building up for a couple minutes. It was already down at 400 before the candle even formed. I got into one more short there. Up over 1,700 bucks now. Had a 6 signal back here that worked out nicely. I pulled up a trade performance report. It's been weird the past couple months. I don't know if it's a Tradeify kind of thing or what. I remember when I used to use Rhythmic, I could check my summary for all my prop accounts. But it seems to be about 50-50. Sometimes my prop accounts show up in the trade performance and sometimes it's just the sim. But I'm using my sim account as the leader account on my REPLIKANTO. And then I'm copying these trades into my 5 different prop firm accounts. So the stats for the sim today are the same stats pretty much for the prop firm accounts. I got better fills on all of the prop accounts than I did the sim account. Had very little drawdown today. Very little loss, 88% profitable. Average winning trade $21, average losing trade $9. Got a 5 signal on the Renko chart back here, had a nice little pop up. These stars on my chart, that's from the Superior ADX indicator. I had pulled up an old chart template and I had this indicator on there. Used to be one of my favorites. I like catching the reversals on the Superior ADX. And I still use the innovative ordering buttons from NINZA. It includes these market order buttons and this limit order strip for one-click limit orders. And I like their volume profiles. Using code MonkeyMan over at NINZA gets you an even deeper discount on top of any of their crazy sales. And anyone that's using code MonkeyMan at any of the prop firms is super amazing, and I greatly appreciate you. I hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.